If you are new to my channel, then click on the red color subscribe button and subscribe my channel and get updates about my upcoming videos, and like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everybody. Today I will discuss about that we all can win. We all can win. So let's talk about something. Have you ever had a dream that you want so badly but somehow it never came true? Have you ever watched people succeeded in achieving their dreams while we did not? Yes, we have all been there someday. Some people seems to have mastered the game of life. They just know what they want and they are not afraid to get it. So, why are not you doing the same? And in this topic, we will discuss how we can win or how we can achieve our dream or target. First thing is importance of attitude or building a positive attitude. Surely we have wondered why some people, organizations and companies are more successful than others. The answer is in the quality. When we talk about quality, we mean the quality of people and business choices. In the world of success, attitude is what sends the most effective people from the losers. Every great building starts with a strong foundations, and every successful business starts with top quality people. These are the people that you once added to your team. They will have a strong desire to do their best and to improve the quality of your business. Studies have proven that most people get the job because of their attitude, not because of their resumes. Having a positive attitude towards your business and life in general is the key of finding your success. Our attitudes are determined by our environment, education, and experiences. A positive person always cares about others. He is always confident, patient, and resourceful. To become among the top quality people, you have to focus on being positive. Practice every day till it becomes a habit and keep educating yourselves. You also need to avoid the negative influences such as negative people and TV programs. One day, a visit from a wise man changed the life of an African farmer. Hafiz was very happy living and working in his farm, but that all changed by simple words from a wise man. When he visited Hafiz, the wise man told him that diamonds can make him rich. And he told him that if he had a diamond as big as his thumb, he can own a city. And if a diamond was as big as his fist, he can buy a whole country. And this idea kept Hafiz awake all night long. He was now unhappy, so he decided to sell his farm and go looking for diamonds. He traveled everywhere till he reached Spain. He was now broken, tired, and without any hope of finding the diamonds. So he killed himself. He jumped up the river, and there he was dead. What Hafiz did not know is that back home everything changed. The man who bought his farm found diamonds in his own river. One day, the new farmer was enjoying the morning sun and he noticed something shining in the water stream. When the wise man visited the new owner of the farm, they both realized that Hafiz was sleeping on a diamond mine. Only if you know. That proves that positive attitude is everything. If Hafiz stayed positive and believed in his own assets, he would have become the richest of all because he approached life with a negative attitude. Oh, he was hopeless and lost his own life. So the important thing is always keep positive, always believe in yourselves, and don't lose your hope. One day you must win or you must achieve your dream or target.